Welcome back to Product Critique, where we take a closer look at the best products available for your pets, home, and lifestyle. Today, we're talking about the best plush dog blanket soft fleece, a cozy essential from PetAmi that has quickly become a must-have for pet owners who want comfort for their furry companions and protection for their furniture. This blanket is designed with both pets and owners in mind. Made from 100% polyester, it features a reversible design that combines silky soft fleece on one side with plush sherpa on the other. The result is a 460 GSM microfiber fabric that feels incredibly soft while also being durable. Whether you've got a playful puppy, a curious kitten, or a full-grown dog, this blanket offers comfort and warmth, making it perfect for naps, bedtime, or just lounging around the house. What really sets this blanket apart is its versatility. You can use it on couches, sofas, beds, crates, kennels, or even in the car. The double stitching adds toughness, and the stain-resistant material helps guard against chewing, clawing, spills, and pet hair. That means your furniture stays cleaner and safer, and your pets get their own comfortable space. It's especially handy for protecting your couch from muddy paws after a walk or providing a cozy spot during road trips or travel. Not only is it protective, it's also incredibly practical. The PetAmi blanket is machine washable and quick drying, so cleanup is effortless. Just toss it into the washer on a cold cycle, tumble dry on low, and it's ready to use again. Because it's lightweight and easy to fold, it also makes an excellent travel companion, whether you're heading out for a weekend camping trip, a beach day, or a stay in a pet-friendly hotel. Another great feature is that it comes in multiple sizes. The 29 by 40 inch size is perfect for smaller breeds like Chihuahuas or Poodles. The 40 by 60 inch option works great for medium dogs like French Bulldogs or Corgis. And if you have larger breeds such as Labradors, Golden Retrievers, or German Shepherds, you can choose the 60 by 80 inch blanket for maximum coverage and comfort. No matter the size of your furry friend, there's an option that fits. The PetAmi blanket is more than just a practical purchase, it's also a thoughtful gift. Whether you're shopping for a pet owner, a dog mom or dad, or even as a housewarming present for someone with a new puppy or kitten, this blanket combines style, comfort, and functionality in one. With its modern look and cozy design, it's a piece that both pets and humans will love. So if you're looking for a soft, durable, and stylish blanket that keeps your pets happy and your home protected, the PetAmi Dog Blanket Soft Fleece is a fantastic choice. It's functional, easy to maintain, and built to last, making it one of the best pet blankets on the market today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews on products that make your life easier and your pets happier.